Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So when we talk about EDC, most people think about knives, flashlights, and even wallets, the usual stuff. But over time, I kind of realized that information is part of my everyday carry too. And that's why I carry a pen and a notebook with me. Therefore, anything that helps me capture information without a fuss starts to earn a spot in my EDC. So today, I want to talk about the Umevo Plus and why I've been treating it more like a EDC item than just another piece of tech. So why does this count as EDC? For something to earn a place in my everyday carry, it has to check a few boxes. It has to be small, lightweight, fast to use, and reliable. Maybe the best way to explain this is the Note Plus doesn't replace anything I already carry. It kind of backs me up. It's more like a second brain. Physically, this thing is tiny. I've generally forgotten it was even there. It magnetically snaps to the back of your phone, so therefore it's not just another item in your pocket. And it'll send a ring like this, so you can add it to an Android device. It becomes part of something you're already carrying every day. And that matters because if it needs its own pouch or a bunch of setup, I probably wouldn't use it or carry it. There are two ways that this can be used. The first is in-person recording, meetings, conversation, quick notes, travel situations, or even like what I'm doing right now, dictation. The second is call recording. It snaps to the back of your phone and captures calls. Now, I'll be honest here, that part works, but not quite as I like. The audio can be a bit faint, and because of that, the transcriptions from the calls isn't always that great. That said, this may sound minor, but the one-button operation, that's huge. If I have to think about it, I missed a moment. So this does need an app for playback, but with that app, it does offer AI transcriptions and summaries. And this is where it stops being just a recorder. It automatically transcribes recordings, identifies speakers, and supports a ton of languages. Then you can ask it things like what were the main points or what decisions were made. So instead of re-listening to everything, you just get an answer. And because of that, it's not just saving time later, it's reducing mental load right now. As far as the app goes, the app is going to be AI DVI link. And as you can see, I have got a couple of recordings on here already. And the first one I took earlier in Starbucks. So right now I am sitting in a Starbucks coffee shop with a lot of noise, and I thought I would give you an idea of how this works in a fairly loud environment. There's music on the speakers above me. There are baristas making lattes and mochas and whatever else that they make here at Starbucks. And I'm going over the notes for this very video, and I think this should give you a good idea of how well this voice recorder works. So this is going to be... So as you can see, it picked up my voice very well in a loud environment. And if we go over here, we have the transcription. And it got it 100% correct except for how it spelled its own name. As you can see, it is Umevo, and it is spelled Umevo. But aside from that, it worked pretty darn well. So the battery life has been solid, around 40 hours of recording plus a long standby time. Really, the best way to say it is you don't have to baby it. And for an EDC item, that's kind of the whole point. There's plenty of storage. It charges magnetically right on that little charging port right there. And it's been reliable when I need it. One thing worth mentioning, especially if you're using this for work, is security. It's built to handle sensitive recordings, which makes it more than just a casual gadget. So because of that, it makes sense for professionals too. Right now, it comes with a few accessories, including a magnetic case, which allows you to stick it to the back of your iPhone. And if you have an Android phone case that has the ring in there, you can stick it there as well. If it doesn't, you can take this supplied, and it is supplied with the Umevo. This little ring right here, you could stick it to the back of your Android, and now you can stick the Umevo to your Android as well, which helps it blend into an existing EDC. You also get a full year of unlimited transcription included, and that is where the real value starts to click. So who is this for? Well, if your EDC already includes a phone, maybe a notebook, maybe both if you're like me, or if you're someone who says, I'll remember that later, this fits. It's not flashy EDC, it's quiet, it's practical, and it's really kind of boring, but boring in the best way. But at $149, this really is not an impulse buy, but neither is a good knife, watch, or flashlight. So if information really matters to you in your day-to-day, this will definitely earn its place. I'll drop a link down below if you want to check it out. Let me know, do you consider digital tools part of your EDC, or do you keep that line pretty strict? Anyways, thank you for stopping in and checking out the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to help support the channel, the best way to do that would be to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. As always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.